Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. Here are the 10 quick facts about Hamburg, Germany and Central Europe. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. The port of Hamburg is almost as large as Copenhagen. Hamburg is home to 42,000 millionaires and even 18 billionaires. The North Sea island Neuwerk belongs politically to the district Hamburg-Mitte city center. Hamburg is the third largest city in the German-speaking world behind Berlin and Vienna. The Jungfernstieg, the beautiful strolling and shopping area at the Binnenalster in the heart of Hamburg, was Germany's first asphalted street in 1838. 72% of Hamburg's surface area is covered with vegetation. This makes the city literally one of the greenest cities in the world. With about 2,500 bridges, Hamburg has more than Venice and Amsterdam together. No other federal state in Germany has as many active skiers as Hamburg, although the nearest ski resort is about 400 kilometers away. With 5,000 steps, Blankenese is one of the most stair-steep neighborhoods in the world. It is located in the western part of Hamburg on the Elbe and is home to many old captains' houses. According to estimates, the number of prostitutes in Hamburg is about 2,500. Most of them work on the famous Reeperbahn. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you!